Why your garage deserves a fresh coat of paint. Hello, my name is Ken Conley, owner of Conley's Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. Did you know your garage could be one of the most overlooked opportunities to improve your home's value and appearance? In this video, I will be talking about why your garage truly deserves a fresh coat of paint and how this simple upgrade can boost curb appeal, increase resale value, and give you a renewed sense of pride every time you pull into your driveway. Whether you use your garage for storage, projects, or everyday parking, a clean, freshly painted space can transform it into a functional and inviting extension of your home. Why your garage deserves a fresh coat of paint. The garage is often overlooked but deserves attention. A fresh coat of paint improves functionality. Painting your garage enhances curb appeal. A well-maintained garage improves your property's overall look, and it gives homeowners a sense of pride. Next, I will discuss the impact on home value and curb appeal. A freshly painted garage can significantly boost your home's value and curb appeal. According to real estate experts, a well-maintained exterior, including the garage, can recoup up to 100% of its costs at resale, and a fresh coat of paint can make your home stand out in the neighborhood, creating a positive first impression for potential buyers. Next, I will show a matrix on the impact on home value and curb appeal. This matrix shows the impact on home value and curb appeal. Personal benefits of a well-painted garage. Beyond the financial benefits, a well-painted garage offers personal satisfaction and a sense of pride in home ownership. It can also transform the space into a more enjoyable area for hobbies, storage, or other activities. Painting your garage enhances curb appeal. A well-painted garage can become a valuable extension of your living space, and it gives homeowners a sense of pride. In closing, here's why giving your garage a fresh coat of paint is worth it. Ultimately, painting your garage is about more than just aesthetics. It's a high-impact investment in your property's longevity and your own daily satisfaction. By transforming this often neglected space from a dark storage corner into a bright, polished extension of your home, you're boosting your resale value and creating an environment you actually enjoy stepping into. Don't let your garage be an afterthought. Grab a brush and give it the finish it deserves. Thanks for viewing the video. If you like this DIY home improvement video, give it a thumbs up and make a comment. Also, please subscribe to Conley's Home Improvement for more home improvement project tips and tutorials coming your way soon. Conley's Home Improvement, making your home look good one project at a time. Why your garage deserves a fresh coat of paint. Subscribe at Conley's Home Improvement.